your hands down. Hold it. Close your eyes. Breathe in and out 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Keep your hands up. Both the hands up. Join them. Lock your fingers. Turn up. Stretch your body up.
Stand on your toes like this.
Yes. Stand on your toes and lift up. Balance. That's what you have to learn over the time. At ease. Hands down. Once again, this you will be doing 3 times. Okay? Hands up. Lock your fingers. Turn your hand upwards. Stretch up, standing on your toes. 1. Leg down. 2. Hands and feet upwards only. Leg down on your feet. Then once again on your toes. Balance. Down. Now, wrist rotation. Put your hands forward. Move your wrist clockwise 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now anti-clockwise 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now keep your hands on your shoulders.